Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I'm going to do general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people, and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box, so you can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. First, we will see general messages regarding your career and finances. Then, we will see love messages. So, recent past, present, future, and your present energy. Queen of Wands with Hermit. Okay. So, Sagittarius, right now, you are focusing on yourself. You want to invest energy on yourself. You are focusing on your passion. If not, you have to focus on yourself. Queen of Wands. If you focus on your passion right now, definitely you will get success. And under the deck we got the Hermit. It's all about focusing inward rather than outward. Some of you, it's all about spiritual journey, also very very deep thinking regarding your career and finances. At the same time, some personal thinking also, like spiritual thinking. But you want to master your craft because Eight of Pentacles here, you really want to do hard work. So recent past, Six of Wands and Seven of Swords. So in recent past, you got success for sure, but some of you took shortcuts. If not, maybe some people cheated on you in recent past regarding your career or job. You got success, you got name, you got fame, but people uh, backstabbed on you, or they did something behind your back because they were not happy for your success. Definitely some politics involved in recent past. Present, the Fool with Magician. So right now, you have to be in the present energy because the Fool energy, uh, and Magician, you are in the Magician energy, so you can manifest whatever you want. So be clear about your intentions and thoughts. But you have to be in the present because the Fool, you will have a lot of options. You need to make a decision, and you need to explore yourself. At the same time, you need to explore your options, but take the right decision and be in the present energy. And Magician, so whatever you think, you will manifest, either it is positive or negative. So future, Page of Swords with Ten of Wands. In future, you will feel like physically overburdened here. So don't do all tasks at a time. So complete one task at a time, then do another task. It will help you. Otherwise, you will feel emotionally or physically overburdened here. And Page of Swords means don't waste your time on wandering. Just take action and do your work. If you are unable to share, if you are unable to hold this burden, just share your burden with other people. Okay, don't take this burden on your shoulder if you are not feeling well. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding your career and finances. Two of Wands and Five of Wands. So don't involve in any unnecessary arguments because some competition involved here. So if you want to win the competition, just do your work and shut your mouth because your success has to tell everything. You don't have to tell anything. Your success has to tell. And Two of Wands means you already made your decision and you're just waiting for the right time to tell. And Five of Cups, don't think about your past. If you think about your past, you will stuck your past. Don't overthink, Sagittarius. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts and your current thoughts, your person present energy and your present energy. Under the deck, Knight of Cups. So your person thinking about new beginning, because the Fool with Death card, they have passion for you, but they are not expressing their feelings because the High Priestess, and they're taking tarot cards regarding this relationship. They're taking tarot readings, okay, regarding this relationship, but your person want a new beginning here. I'm seeing some of you are in separation here. You both are waiting for the new beginning. You both are on the same page. You both are mirroring each other a lot because your person current feelings, the Fool, Knight of Wands, and High Priestess, definitely thinking about a new beginning, but not able to express their feelings. You Sagittarius, your present energy is the King of Cups. You literally love this person. You have strong emotions towards this person, and your current feelings, Four of Swords, the Tower, and Ace of Wands. So Sagittarius, Four of Swords, and the Tower and Ace of Wands. Yes, you are going through a tower moment right now. You are trying to heal from this tower moment. And Ace of Wands means, yes, you want to heal, at the same time you are thinking about new beginnings because you invested a lot in this connection emotionally. You connected to your person emotionally. So that's why even though you are trying to heal, or even though you are trying to move on from this connection, you're still coming back to the same emotion. What I'm getting here. So let's see you post a next action. The Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Wow, I'm seeing back and forth communication. I'm seeing a beautiful new beginning. I'm seeing lots of communication. You both will communicate. Yeah, they wanna fix things with you. I'm seeing major reconciliation ahead. And some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy, and some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, lot of water energies here. But I'm seeing communication, guys. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Nine of Wands, King of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. So yes, you both have strong emotions towards each other, but some fears involved here. You both have some fears, but there is passion also. Some of you are dealing with Gemini air sign. So let's clarify the outcome here. The Emperor, Chariot, some of you are dealing with Cancer. See, due to ego clashes, maybe you both are trying to detach emotionally from this connection, but again, you both are back and forth here. One time, you both are trying to detach, but another time, you both want to move forward in this connection. So, this is not over at again reconciliation, double confirmation. I am saying reconciliation, but some obstacles involved here. So, let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. Three of Cups. So you both want to spend some quality time with each other, and for some maybe third party involved here. So let's clarify the Three of Cups. Yeah, definitely third party. For some it could be other person. For some it could be a family also. So definitely third party influence is very heavy on your relationship. So first you both need to cut this third party to take this relationship to next level. And communication is coming. Definitely both will communicate, and communication is the key here. So let's say energy oracle messages. The garden and the gate. So right now you are feeling very safe. If not, definitely right now you are in a very safe place. So don't fear. And action, you need to take action, something you want to achieve. Goddess of the moon, trust your intuition and follow your intuition, but take action. Don't sit idle. Take action, okay? Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about something big, first you need to have dreams. And the end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorns. So if you're going through a tough cycle right now, that cycle is going to be end very very soon. And luck is on your side. New moon is Sagittarius. So Sagittarius, luck is on your side. Just do your work. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.